Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is just Anand, and in today's video I'll be reviewing this MTN 5G. I've been trying to get it for some time and it's finally here. So I've been using the liquid router and it's been keeping me well, so I want to try and see how the 5G works. But please note that the 5G is not available everywhere, but in my area it's available, and I want to see how fast this is. So this is the box it comes in. As you can see, there are 4 ports, internet ports, 1 reset button, 1 power button, 1 telephone button. Let me just open it. This is my receipt. The packaging is really nice and very clean. Actually, it looks very similar with my liquid router. It's like the new routers all look like speakers, like a fancy speaker. And this is the manual that literally nobody reads. Then we have this, a power, should be a power. Oh, it comes with an Ethernet cable. And this is a power brick. You use your type. It's clean and easy to put in. So these are instructions for the SIM card. So let me just put in the SIM card. So we have power here, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, and the strength of the internet. We have a WPS button right there. And these are the 4 internet cables you can connect to. And it has a Type-C USB charger. Let me try that to see if it's going to charge or connect. Give me a moment.
Hours later.
So apparently the Type-C charger does not work to charge this. It's probably used for firmware updates. But this, I believe, also you can buy a power bank so that when power cuts, it's never off. So it's Zicta approves 5G. It's got a 2.5G Wi-Fi configuration. And you do not need 5G devices for you to use this router. You can use your 4G phones or devices to use this, but you're going to experience 5G network. So it gets you to have a feel of how fast 5G is. So now I'm just going to connect this and do some speed test and see how fast this is. So I'm going to try it on the PS5 and see if it can work well with Call of Duty Warzone. If it's really good, I would definitely switch to MTN 5G. So it's good for games. Let's join some Ninja player. So let's check the speed for 5G and see how fast it is. Fast.com. I have 5G in my area, so it should be good. So I'm getting about close to 200 megabits per second, which is very good. Really good. Especially for streaming, gaming, anything you can think of. I highly recommend. So I'm just redoing the speed test. So this is how fast MTN 5G is in my location. Remember, this varies according to your location. 5G is not everywhere, but if you have 5G, your speeds may be higher or may be lower. For me, this is what roughly I normally get. Sometimes it goes when above 500, but in most cases it's around 320, 400 megabits per second, and the speeds are really good. I highly recommend. Let's try PUBG Mobile and see how fast. Even faster than my liquid internet. Let me now walk you through the plans that 5G provides. So here there are uncapped plans for 5G. We have 20 megabytes per second, which is going at 1000. This is uncapped data. Then you also have a 2000 basically for 30 days and 50 megabytes per second going at 2399 kwacha for 30 days. Then you can also purchase these home bundles. So the lowest starts from 200. You can also purchase the 70 GB for 350. Then for 220 for 500, or half a terabyte for 1000, and for 900 GB for 15 for 30 days. So these are they are actually limited bundles compared to the uncapped, which are unlimited. So the verdict, basically 5G is not for everybody. It's very pricey. The router itself is very pricey. It's going at 3000 off the box, but you can go to MTN and go get it on lease agreement, where they'll give you a free router, but there are conditions to it where you have to buy bundles worth 500 and above for a period of 1 year, which is also a good deal. Apart from that, the 5G data plans are really expensive, and if you do not get the unlimited like these here, your data actually depletes fast because it's using high-speed internet. You'll be streaming videos at high rate, high resolution. You'll be playing games with few to no latency, but yes, and good pin for gaming. So I can recommend this device for those who work remotely, who are gamers, who are content creators and need to upload their videos as soon as possible, or those who love to watch movies, stream movies a lot, I highly recommend this device. But if you are a very laid back person who uses the internet, I do not think this device is for you. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe to give this video a like if you found it useful. I'll also do a review to compare the 5G with Liquid and the other MTN routers that I have in the house, and see maybe the other options may be good for you, unlike the 5G. Otherwise, thank you for watching and good luck.